Hello everyone, I am Chakradhar. This is a question from Croto book. Let's solve this question. Small balls with zero initial velocity fall from height h equals to r by 8 near the vertical axis of symmetry on a concave spherical surface of radius r. Assuming that the impacts of the balls against, let us assume this is the spherical surface, concave spherical surface. Let the radius be r. This is radius r. And the balls fall from here. That is r by 8. Okay. Let us consider one ball first. Okay. Assuming that the impacts against the surface are perfectly elastic, prove that after the first impact, each ball gets into the lowest position. Now what we should prove is, after collision, the balls will come here. Okay, we should prove that. Okay, gets into the lowest point of spherical surface. Okay, the balls do not fall in. Now the balls will come here like this. We are drawing velocity. Okay. Now, as this will be the perpendicular to the surface from center, and the balls will reflect like this. Let this be alpha, and this will be also alpha. Okay. Now, so this angle is 2 alpha. Okay. The velocity of the balls at the point here equals to v equals to root over 2 into g into h. That is equals to root over 2g into r by 8. V equals to root over gr by 2. Okay, this is velocity. At this velocity, they bounce back with making angle alpha, 2 alpha with the horizontal, with the vertical. Okay, they bounce back like this. Now we will find the horizontal component. Okay, horizontal velocity is equals to Vx equals to, as this is alpha, 2 alpha, this will be sine 2 alpha. This is equals to, velocity is root over gr by 2 into sine alpha. As alpha is very less, sine alpha tends to alpha. Okay, and velocity Vy will be is equals to root over gr by 2 into cos alpha. As cos 2 alpha is, this is 2 alpha, as this angle is 2 alpha and this will get, so then alpha into root gr. Okay, as 2 alpha is very less, cos 2 alpha tends to 1. Okay, this is Vy component. Now let us find the time taken for the body to complete. Time is equals to T equals to 2 into root over 2u by g. Initial velocity is root gr by 2 into by g. That's it. 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and we'll get time as root over r by g. This is time. This is time. Now we'll find the displacement. The displacement is equals to the velocity into time. Velocity is alpha into root over gr into time is root over r by g. Okay. This and this will get cancelled, and we'll get s equals to alpha into r, which is nothing but, if we take like this, and this will be alpha with the horizontal, this will be alpha, as this is alpha, this will be also alpha. Now let us find out sine alpha. Let this be x. X is equals to x into x by r. X by r, this is r. X by r. Therefore x equals to sine alpha into r. As I already told, as alpha is very less, sine alpha tends to alpha. That is equals to r. So this means that the balls will come here after the first collision. Hence proved. Thank you.